Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Lamicke. Welcome to today's yoga session to wake up and stretch. So without taking too much of your time, let's get right into it. We're going to start today in mountain pose, standing up tall. Place your feet on the mat. Lift all your 10 toes and start placing them from the smallest toe all the way to your big toe on the mat, one after the other. And try to increase the distance between your ankle and your knee, between your knee and your hips and your chest, and your shoulder and your neck. So standing up tall, palms facing up, and take a couple of breaths just to greet the day, connect with your mat, connect with yourself. And you can also set an intention for your practice. When you're ready, lift your hands, bring your hands to chest, and open your eyes, and we're going to add some movements into today's practice. So opening your legs about hip wide apart, come into a light squat, bring your hands on your knees, and we're going to do some standing cat and cow movements, standing flat on your feet. Inhale to lift your chest, open your chest, bring your shoulder blades together. Exhale, tucking your belly button round, press away from the mat. Inhale to lift your chest up, open yourself. Exhale, count round your back, chin to chest, tucking your belly button. Inhale, lift up. And exhale to round. 3 more rounds. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Next inhale brings you all the way up, standing up tall. Bring your feet together. You can bring your big toes together, the back of your feet a little bit away, like a V shape, inverted V shape. Inhale to lift your hands up. Bring your right leg behind your left leg and twist to the left. Come back to center. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward, bending your knees as much as possible. Find a forward fold. Next, inhale to lift back. Release your legs, bring your hands to heart center. Inhale, lift your hands up. Bring your left leg behind your right leg. Twist to the right. Exhale, fold forward. Find a forward fold. Bend your legs as generously as you need. Inhale, lift all the way up. And release. Bring your hands to heart center. We're going to find a chair pose. So bringing your toes together or your legs hip wide apart. Come to your toes. Find your balance and bend your legs, coming into a chair pose, lifting your hands up, tucking your belly button. And from here we're going to go all the way down into a toe stand, playing with our balance. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale through the nose, in and out. Bring your hands onto the mat and find a forward fold. Releasing your hamstrings. Bring your hands back onto the mat. Come to your toes. Come all the way back to your toe stand. And we're going to go back up the same way we came down. So lifting your hands up, tucking in your belly button. I think it's going to be loud. My knees are going to add some sound tone. So find your way up gently onto chair pose. And then to mountain pose. Bring your hands back to heart center. Step your left leg to the back. Find a straddle. Wide-legged forward fold. Turning your toes left and right. Find a flat back. Fold forward. Bring your hands onto the mat. Hold here in flat back. Tabletop. Imagine a glass standing at the back on your back. Tuck in your belly button. When you're ready, exhale down. Come all the way down. Just go as far as is possible and comfortable for you in this forward fold. And we're going to integrate some surface lunge. So bring your hands to the right, walk your hands to the right, turn your toes and bend to your right toes. You can place your feet on the ground, lifting your left leg, and move with your hands to the left, bending on your left, flipping your toes, feeling the stretch in the inner part of your thigh. We'll do 2 more rounds like this. All right, and then to the left. All right, and to the left. Come back to center. Forward fold. Releasing your hamstring, stretching the back of your leg. Find your halfway back. Flat back. Tuck in your belly button. Bring your hands to your waist and then lift up. Flip your toes and bring your right leg back. Inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale to lift up. Exhale, fold forward. Make a right step to the back. Left step to the back. Find your downward dog. Stretching the back of your body. Stretching the exteriors of your body. Letting go of everything that's not serving you. Waking up to start your day. Inviting energy, positivity into your body. And we're going to take a side plank here. So fill in your plank and then twist to the right. You have the option to bring your left leg in front of your right leg to support you and lift your leg, your knee up. Bring your hand back to center. Downward dog. Side plank on the left side. Find your plank. Lift your hand up and you can take a plank variation, either bringing your right leg to the front to support you or full plank, and find your downward dog. We'll wake our spine further with some Shakti waves. So inhale, come into plank. Exhale, upward dog. Inhale, downward dog. 2 more rounds. Plank, upward dog, downward dog. Last round. Plank, upward dog, and downward dog. Walk your feet to the front. Find a halfway lift. Bend your knees. Lift all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, fold forward. You walk your legs back into downward dog. Find a plank. Bring your knees onto the mat. Bring the back of your feet on the mat. Open up your knees. Take a child's pose for 2 breaths. When you're ready, lift up your hands, come onto your knees, and find a comfortable seat to conclude today's practice. Lift your hands all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you very much for practicing with me. The light and the love in me recognizes the light and the love in you. Namaste. Thank you very much for your time for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe below and leave me a comment in the comment section. I love to connect with you. Bye bye and see you next week on the mat.